I am V Prafulla Kumar Reddy. I am a student of iPMP 24 batch. After completing my BTech in 2022, I was struggling to choose what option I have in my life to move forward. I got an opportunity of seeing the advertisement of NAMTECH in a newspaper article, and I applied so that I can learn something new institute. Choosing NAMTECH gave me opportunity to get into Micron with the very much technology transfers we had here, and the faculties here in NAMTECH are very much friendlier and very much giving us opportunities to explore new things in industry wise, and got an exposure to the industry 4.0 here. Made in NAMTECH gave us a quite exposure to the corporate world, how the corporate functions and how companies deal with the people, which made me strong enough to crack the interviews for the first company itself. I would like to thank sincerely NAMTECH for the opportunities it has given, and the faculties here making us shine over with the new technologies, being ahead and getting into Micron, which is also a new company in India with a strong backbone. And NAMTECH is also doing a very great job with the students, helping them to achieve their goals. And I would like to sincerely thank all the faculties here putting up their time and giving us well guidance over here to sustain in the corporate world.